Hello and welcome to this evening's video. It is featuring the Hoover Blaze, which is this little guy. It has excellent suction, which I'll just show you. And it came with 4 different tools. Now, I've shown these before, but this is the Parkway, which I'm not sure I'm pronouncing right. Just 2 sides with brushes and little felt rollers. We have the monster of the Carpet Extra, which is a really big head. I'm not sure why. It's just suction channels and a rubber strip, and on plastic wheels. Next we have the All Floors Plus. Which is a kind of hybrid upholstery / carpet tool. It's got a hard line of black brushes, then a strip of an upholstery cleaner, a suction channel, a strip of an upholstery cleaner, and then a rubber bar, which will be to flick any escaping mess back to the suction channel, and it's on little plastic wheels. Finally, it came with a pet hair remover tool, which is this. Also known as a turbo brush for other machines. There's no real difference from the other turbos I've got. It's got a small brush roll, a tilting head to it, and what looks to be some suction channels at the front. It works quite well, but nothing special over and above other pet tools I've got. Oh, I always hate these big cables. So I think to start with, I'm going to go in with the Parkway because I think it's got a better chance, or will we? It's midnight, so I'm not wanting to cause a lot of shrapnel. Hell, we'll go in with the All Floors Plus. Imagine this is your kitchen floor after a wild party in that somehow involves your dog. A bit of wild party in here. No. Let's try to get this up in the bed next to me, but it's not happening. Okay, let's go. all, but it wasn't the easiest that I've seen. Certainly struggled a lot on the pickup of the harder or bigger items. Okay, let's not make the same mistake I made last time and open this over my trousers, because there's a great big hole in the bottom, and when you remove the top, everything just falls out the hole. As you can see, what looked like a lot on the first video, once it's all smashed down, it doesn't look like a lot at all. I'm just adding in what was in a sharp. Rescue that bag because it's full of lush stuff. Okay. Add a few more complex, because therefore it's proven more difficult. God, I'm making more of a mess. Okay, it is difficult to spread it from my seat. So we'll do one more. On this. And I think that the carpet extra should maybe see an outing. As much as I love the little brush one, it would find no problem in doing this. So here we go. Ready, steady. I don't know if you can see that, but this is really struggling. Even just versus a little bit of dog hair. So we're going to retire that for the moment and put on my favourite brush head. This is the Parkway. It has these two runs of stiff bristles and the little felt rollers. It's always nice to use. So let's go. This actually struggled a lot with dog hair. And a single cornflake. So, we'll get a short try of its pet brush. And the tiniest amount of dog hair. I always like a good pet brush. Right, there's a last bit of clean up. Only a small mess test. I do have a bucket full of dog hair downstairs, but it's downstairs and I'm upstairs. So that'll be used in the future mess tests I've got to do. I hope you all enjoyed this short serial killing video. If you do, please give me a like. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Hit the bell if you want to be notified as soon as my videos go live. And please feel free to make a comment, suggestion, whatever you like. I always try and reply to every comment I get. And I do enjoy reading them. Take care everyone. Bye.